started off with rough prototypes and playtesting, lots and lots of playtesting and changes. Eventually, the other folks from my company, Stone Circle Games, and myself, we commissioned the art, we got all the assets together, and ran a Kickstarter campaign. First one didn't succeed, but the second one did, and we sent the game off to be manufactured through Long Pack Games out of China. They shipped it back here. I did. They shipped it back here, and we now it's available. Yeah.
Very cool. And how can they learn more about it?
You can go to bitturnia.com right there.
Okay.
That's probably the best place to check it out.
Cool.
It's also on boardgamegeek.com if you want to look.
Board Game Geek, a small business, and you help out at
Kitchen Table at Raleigh.
Cool. Yeah. And you help people learn how to play all types of games.
Sure do.
Exciting. Yeah. A great showcase small business today.